If you spend a lot of time on your phone, turning on dark mode can make your screen easier on the eyes, especially at night. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable dark mode in Android in just a few taps. It's quick, simple, and you don't need to install anything extra. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. You can usually find it on your home screen or in your app drawer, and it often looks like a small gear icon. Once Settings is open, scroll through the menu until you see Display. Tap on Display to open the screen settings. This is where Android keeps options related to brightness, wallpaper, screen timeout, and theme settings. Now look for the dark theme option. Depending on your device, it may also be called dark mode, but the process is the same. All you need to do is toggle the switch for dark theme to on. As soon as you turn it on, your Android interface should switch to a darker color palette. You'll notice menus, backgrounds, and system screens become much darker, which can help reduce eye strain and may even save a little battery on some devices. If you ever want to switch back, you can follow the same steps and turn the toggle off again. And that's it. Dark mode is now enabled on your Android phone. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple Android tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.